So Donald Trump, since I know you're watching, I have 4 words for you. Turn the volume up. New York will remain a city of immigrants, a city built by immigrants, powered by immigrants. And as of tonight, led by an immigrant. No more will New York be a city where you can traffic in Islamophobia and win an election. So hear me, President Trump, when I say this. To get to any of us, you will have to get through all of us. This is not only how we stop Trump, it's how we stop the next one.